Hey guys, welcome back. Do you know what's behind me? We came to the pumpkin patch. Me and Josh are going to pick our own pumpkins. Now let's check the whole farm out. There's a huge line. We're just waiting in the line to ride that bicycle tractor. They're sanitizing the truck, so it's pretty safe to ride it.
Now go.
This is my first time doing this. I'm really excited to do it.
Hang on.
I know you There's a game behind me that there's like a slingshot. We gotta put the ball into the slingshot and then we gotta throw it into the hoop. That's really cool. This is a corn maze. We're gonna go into it. Let's hope we go in the right path and not get lost. See the corn on the top? I'm gonna try to pick one. See, look at it. There's lots of paths. I don't know which one to take. I'm gonna take that one. Oh, we found the path. We made it. Yay. Next, we're going to go in the tractor to pick up our pumpkins. What do you think I'm doing?
George, be good.
For Christmas, long time ago.
Now we're going to go inside the pumpkin patch and I'm going to find the biggest pumpkin. Come on, let's go. I didn't find a perfect one. Now I'm still looking. Look at mine. So finally I picked this pumpkin and Josh got the biggest one. That's a baby and this is a dad. Yeah. This is a photo spot that we can take photos. Me and Josh are going to take a nice photo. See, George, he's doing pumpkin rolling. Isn't that funny? Hey, Josh, try it. Josh. We had so much fun and now we're tired, so we're gonna get lemonade and popcorn.
Get out.
Look at this.
Get out.
Behind me, you can see lots of pumpkins. The store pre-picked all these pumpkins, and if you didn't go to the pumpkin patch, you can buy these from here. It's been a long day now. We had so much fun at the pumpkin patch, and we can't wait to do something cool with our pumpkins. We'll see you next time. Bye. Bye.